Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So today in today's lecture I'll be continuing with the properties part which I have taught in my previous video. So let me continue with that. So as I have told about this level chess, that is level display and like create level chess in my previous video. Now let me again go to the settings tools, because up to the settings I have taught up to the snaps and attributes. As in the attributes, you can see this part I have taught already. What is present in these attributes like grids and all these things, we can switch off from the attributes. Even it is present here, attributes, in a very easy manner. Then let me go to the tools. There are various tools. Attributes is present here. Primary tools, if you switch it off, this tools, it goes off. See, these are the primary tools. Then standard tools, these are the standard tools which you can paste it here. Then after that, the main, this is the main menu. This part is, as you can see here, this one is the main menu part which is already present here. Even you can drag this part as well as drag this part in order to increase its size. Let me drag it in a proper manner so that it comes in one line. Okay, now it's okay. After that, even you can use this pin to unpin it. So after unpinning it, you can see that this goes in this manner: stack as well as project explorer. This one is project explorer and this one is tasks. So if you again pin it, then it will again erase it in this manner. Then after that, as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 9 is present here. So let me again go to the tools. Then I have told about the task. If I will switch it off, this menu, full menu will goes off. Let me off it. See, this full menu will goes off. Again let me go to the tools and power on the task. So this is how we can power on the task menu. Then after that, these are the various menus. Like for animation, these are the various properties. Even you can use this full animation as a toolbox. You need to click on toolbox, so it will now arise in a toolbox. Now after that, you can pin it here, such as I have pinned it here. Now even you can unpin it by just simply moving this one from its pin position to here, and now closing it in this manner. We can use now basic, this one is the base geometry portion. Then cells, then change tracking, change class detections. These are the class detections. Then coordinate system is also present in the attributes. As you can see here in the attributes, this ACS triad is present here. If I'll click it on, this coordinate system comes here. Similarly, after the coordinate system, these are the various curves, then custom line styles, databases, then detailing symbols, dimensions. You can check here, these are the various dimensions which are present here. Then geographic locations, groups are present here. Then levels, these are the various levels here, it's present. Then manipulate. Okay, this is the manipulation menu. Let me open this one as a toolbox, and after opening it, let me drag it in the down portion, because this one is required for copying, for mirroring, moving, scale, rotate, then array, mirror, align. So these are actually required. These are actually present even here, as you can see here. Or else, let me do one thing. Let me again move it here and power it off. Now again let me go to the measure. These are measure here, it's present here. then multi-lines. These are the various type of multi-lines. Let me open as a toolbox, because multi-lines are not present here. Here only single multi-line is present here. Then let me go to the toolbox again, selection. Now let me go click in this button. After that you can see more items are present here. Let me simply go to the toolbox, or you can simply type Control T to open the toolbox. After opening the toolbox, even you can click here. What are the those toolbox you wanted. Suppose I want the let me just wait, such as modify curves clipboard. I want it. I will click it here. Then this menu arises, then click it. Okay, this one arises. I can even drag it somewhere. As I have dragged it, then because I don't need it now, then I'll close it. So in this manner you can do the modifications. Even I will show you one main modification. Let me, as you can see here, drawing here, you I hope it's clear to all of you. These are the various box present here. If you will click in this box, it will arise in this manner, such as in this manner it will arise. If you will click in this one, it will arise in this manner, such as in plane smear, in such as in Q it will arise in this manner. Then W it will arise in this manner. Then in place circle it will arise in this manner. Or else what is present here, if I will place this one, by default it is in this manner, so it will be in this manner if you will place this panel layout mode. After that, even you can go it here, and you can now docking option. As you can see here, if I will unpin it, then it will move there. Or if I will undock it, suppose I have undocked it. Now these two I can dock anywhere. Suppose I want to dock it in the right side, you can dock it in the right side as well. So this is how we can do the docking as well as undocking. Project browser and task. Let me go to the tool, task. This one is a task, and I want another one, that is project browser. So project navigation. So this is how we can show it. As you can see here, this is the project browser. You can even click as in this manner, and you can move it downward. Or else you can do one thing is, as this one is present here, simply in the upper portion double click it. After double clicking it, it will get docked. So this is how we can manage it, or we can do the docking as well as undocking. Now even you can unpin it. This moves here, pin it. So this is how we can do the management section. Now again let me move to the tools, and let me show, go to the toolbox, and there even I can create. I don't want this one. In this manner you can also show other toolbox you want it, such as tool frames you want, or toolboxes you want it. In this manner you can even you can customize it. Okay, so this is how we can change the toolbox. Now after that, going to the tools, let me go to the utilities. In the utilities, the key in is present here. If you place this key in, one command line will arise. Suppose this one is the key in, I can also dock this one in the down portion, see this one is the line. I can dock it here. This one is the key. Suppose you can press here the commands. Suppose you press A, see EquiDraw will come. If you press enter, then the EquiDraw options will arise. This one is the EquiDraw options. In the similar manner, you can even run key in this key box. Or if you don't want, those who wants to commands to run, you can type it here, but it's very critical because in Microstation the commands are very lengthy, so better not to use it. So undock it and close it. After that, see, as you can see here, if you will move here, you will right click it, then layer mode, then if you go to the panel, this all these 1 2 3 4 just 9, this one will also move in this manner. And after that, these are the various drawing properties. So now all are present in this fashion, or else you can simply right click it again, layer mode, icon mode, so it will move again. So in number 1 there are various icons present here. So what you need to do, you have to click in the number 1 left click button for a long time. Suppose in the right click, in the 2 number, I will place the left click button for a long time, this menu arises. If you will simply left click it, then it will not then it will move to some command, such as this command arises. But if you will left click it for a longer time without releasing the left key, then one menu arises. Suppose this one menu arises in this manner. Suppose this one, this menu arises. Let me show you. Suppose this one here, this menu arises. This is how the menu arises, or I can show it by simply clicking it here, layout mode, panels. These are the panels. In this way we can show the panels. Even these are the various panels. Now what I will do is I will adjust all of them by making them smaller. So for that, let me go to the utilities again. The key in I have powered on. Now 3D warehouse, then images, rendering is also present here because it's a BIM software. Then the design history is present here. Then after that, these are the various facilities available here. Now let me go to the workspace. In the workspace, such as in the settings, in the design file, there are various properties. Similarly, in the workspace, such as in the design, in the design file, in the settings, the design file. Similarly, in the workspace, there are various settings is available, such as in the preferences. If you go to the preferences, then if you go to the input, there you can see here that start in parse all mode, disable drag option, allow escape mode to stop the current button, current command. Please left click this button, please click this button, because as here if you will draw some line and you want to escape or come out of that command, you have to simply right click the mouse button. But as I have used in other software, that in order to come out of the command, such as in Revit or in AutoCAD, I can simply place the escape button. So here also you can use the escape button, and for that you have to simply click this one, allow the escape key to start current command. So I will always try to escape or come out of the command by using not the right key, because the right mouse button is not familiar to me or not in my habit. So I will use the escape button to come out of the command. Then this locate tolerance, what is this one? I will show you. Cancel it. See, as you can see here, one small bubble is moving. That bubble I can minimize its size by simply going to the workspace, preferences, input, locate tolerance. You can make it as 1. If you make 1 and press OK, see now the small, but now the button has become so small that it's not visible at all. Again you can increase its size by going to the preference, input, make it as 2 size. A little bit it will be visible. See here, now it's visible a little bit. This is how we can increase or decrease its size by going to the preferences and input. Now look and feel. These are the various tool sizes. If you make it small, then view toolbox size, small it, marker size, small, and apply it. After applying it, the toolbox sizes, those toolboxes which are available in this like menu, those will become smaller. I will show you. As I have made it smaller, it's okay. Then the dialog font size also I can decrease it or increase it. Now after that, let me move to the mouse wheel. Here if I will zoom out, zoom in and zoom out, this is the ratio. Suppose I will set to 2, then it will zoom much area in a single wheel up button or in a single wheel down button, because if I will move the mouse wheel button, it will zoom in, and if I will move the mouse wheel button in the other direction, it will zoom out. So this is the ratio. If I will make this one as a 10, it will the mouse wheel button will increase and decrease the size, means the zooming in and zooming out size will increase in a very large manner at a single rotation. Then after that, these are the various shortcut keys: zoom in and zoom out wheel button, control plus wheel, it will provide walkthrough forward and backward, shift plus wheel, it will make you to pan with zoom, alternate key plus wheel, pan left or pan left. Now place OK. After that, operations, go to the operation. Then in the operation there are various present here. Now go to the positioning mapping. See here, even I can as you can see here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, or in this menu Q W E R T Y, those are present actually. Even I can change them. Suppose I am a right-handed user, so I will click right hand, then this menu will be present. If I click on left-handed user, then those will get changed. So as I am left-handed, so I will click this one as OK. Or even I can switch off this positioning mapping. If I will switch off this positioning mapping, this 1 2 3 4 will be powered off, such as, let me press OK. See, now there is no 1 2 3 4 5. Again go to workspace, preferences, then positioning mapping, power it on. Now after that, raster manager for uploading the images, then preferences, then spelling, then tags, then task navigation. In the task navigation, I can increase the icon size, such as small it, press now press OK. See, now the icon size has been decreased to their sizes. Their size is now decreased. I can also even increase their sizes by going to the preferences, workspace preferences. I can make it very large, such as icon size large. See, now the icon size became very large. So this is how the changes are made. This one is the dialog box. In toolbox also I can show, in view also I can show. Now go to the text. In the text you can choose what is the size of the text I need to set here. Then in the view option, see, in the view option, such as this one, the background color is black here. Even I can click in this box and I can press OK. The background color will be changed to white. This is how even we can change the background color, and we can change various properties by going to the preferences. Let it remain black. The view toolbox is present at the top. It's OK. Then after that, the dynamics transparency, auto locate transparency. Then I can keep various colors as I can provide to the like sheet model background color. I can provide white. I can set different things as in these preferences. Okay. After that, let me go to the configuration. In the configuration, I can set all this one by such as by levels, by cells. I can change these various configurations. Now you can also even go to the customize in the workspace, and you can customize such as the main menu. I can customize it such as there are various applications present here in so I can customize all these things. You can also even change the shortcut key button, such as you can go to this workspace and function key. If you will go to the function key, you can change this first function key, such as for help. If I want other key, then you can action for F1. Suppose for F1 I want a different action like close. Then if I'll click on OK, and now I will again go there and I will check for the function key. See, F1 will close. Now if I will press F1, the full project will get closed. This is how we can also even change the shortcut key. Let it remain as help only. So this is how we can even set the shortcut keys. Then button assignments, we can also provide button assignments, like for what shortcut keys, what buttons I can assign here. You can even remap the buttons of the mouse button, such as for reset I need to click the right button, for tentative left mouse button or right button chord, for data left button. In this manner we can change, or we can like assign the buttons. Now I can go to the windows for cascading, for tiling. After that you can go to the help, and you can find here by clicking it here you will get the simple start guide. This one is the simple start guide which will open in the PDF format. Even if you want any kind of help, you can simply go to this Microstation V8i guide menu, and you can search here if you want anything like learning how to use Microstation, design models, creating design models, sheets. Everything is present in this sheet. Okay, so if you want any kind of help, you can simply go to the help and you can go to this quick start guide. After that, as you can see here, if you close this menu, suppose you open for open anything, suppose I want to draw one line, I'll click it here, this menu again arises. So if I want to close this menu, then what I will do is I will simply click in this box pop-up set enable, or I will right click it and I will click on settings. After that, see, allow control plus space when disabled, new tool display, hide delay seconds, it will get hidden after this much seconds, or auto position tool. Suppose I will click it here. See, after clicking it here, again it pops out automatically. Let me click again. See, it pops out automatically. Again click it here, it pops out automatically. So if I want to show that menu again, I need to press the control and the space bar together, and I can set the value. Again it will pop out. See, this one I am drawing this line. Let me write the commands, and for that I will press control and space bar. Then I will press here what kind of line or what kind of arc I want. Then after drawing this one, then I will draw one arc in this manner, or in this manner, or in this manner. So this is how we can use that pop-up menu. Or even you can power off this pop-up disable, then that menu will never get powered off. It will be always present, but sometimes it creates lot of problems. So my main criteria for removing this, because it creates lot of disturbances, so I will pop up off, or I will enable the pop-up, or I will even you can disable the pop-up. it depends upon you whether you want that menu to remain for all the time or for a certain amount of time. So hope it's clear to all of you about the various properties. So in my next lecture I will be teaching you that how to draw the walls and various kind of like lines. Okay, let me even along with that, let me click in this menu. Along with that, let me go to the tools. After going to the tools, there snap is present. Let me go to the snaps, or let me go to the toolbox. There snap must be present. Snap mode, click it on and power it on. Now snap mode, move it and move it here, because snap mode is very compulsory. After that, simply right click in this snap mode and in this menu, go in this menu and power on everything, or simply click on in this menu, show all. Now it will show you all. See, everything is now powered on. This snap menu is very compulsory for drawing any kind of diagram. I have showed you this menu because in my next lecture I will be telling you how to draw any kind of figure. Hope it's clear to all of you that how to set the properties in Microstation V8i Bentley software. So if you have any kind of doubt, then you can ask me in my comment section, and hope it's clear to all of you. And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and colleagues. And thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.